on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on my channel. Now in today's video we're going to be taking a look at AOMEI Partition Assistant. So we're going to go ahead and get it installed. We're going to be doing AOMEI Partition Assistant, and if you guys are curious, this is the website. I'll put a link in the description here. This will tell you what it can do and what it can't do. Basically, it's just saying a safe hard drive manager, an easy data migration software, other useful tools, and a complete disk converter. These are all the pricing as of January 29th, 2024. The professional edition is going to be around $50. The assistant server edition is going to be $170. The ultimate edition is going to be around $400. The partition assistant technician edition is going to be around $600. Go ahead and click install now. And now that we've got installed, we're going to go ahead and click enjoy now. I'm going to go ahead and launch another program. Now, what is on this drive right now is just some old movies and stuff that I've already got multiple backups of. So if I lose any of this data, I'm not super worried about it, and hopefully I don't, because that's the whole point of the program, is to recover data. So we are going to try that. So as you can see, this is the program itself. We've got clone, convert, free up, recover, wipe, test, and tools. Alright guys, so I have partitioned the drive, and what I did, I actually put some files on there, and I already deleted the partition. Doing so, you can actually right click, click delete partition, then once you answer all the dialog boxes, it's basically going to ask if you want to do a quick delete or a strong delete, which is going to either wipe over the data or it's not, and you just click apply and it'll do that. So if you actually want to recover your data, all you have to do is click recover, go to recover data, and then it's very small. I'm not really sure why. We'll zoom in a little bit for you guys. So basically what you want to do is you just want to choose the drive you want to recover the data on. So we're going to do D media backup, start scan. As you can see, we've got deleted files, other missing files, and recycle bin. These are all the files. And down here, it's actually searching. It's doing a deep scan. So basically what this is doing is it's just deep scanning the drive to see if there's any data that's actually going to be recoverable or any data that hasn't already been written over. So if you actually go through these, you can see you've got deleted files, you've got recycle bin. There's only some desktop INIs in here. I'm not really sure why. We've got other missing items, and we got some JPEG. These are all just basically art for movies and music, I believe. So this is all just music covers and stuff. So it's recovering data. It's just not recovering data that's necessarily important. But the program is doing what it's supposed to do, and it's just recovering data. That's all it ever needed to do. That's all it's doing right now. Now, in terms of partition recovery, I've already deleted this partition while putting data on it. And you gotta basically confirm that the partition was deleted recently. This may not work if your partition was deleted 3 years ago. It could. I don't know for a fact, but if it does, then that's awesome. Let me know in the comments below. So all you got to do is go up here to recovery, go down here to partition recovery. You're going to choose the drive. Obviously, I got disk 1. I'm going to click next. You can do fast search or full search. Full search is going to take a very long time, so just keep that in mind. If you are searching for a partition that's, like I said, been deleted for a while, the full search would help you, but we're just going to do fast search for the sake of the video. We're going to go ahead and click next. Found it. You got partition 0 NTFS. It's about 500 gigs, which is the partition that was here, but I deleted it for the sake of the video. We're going to go ahead and click proceed, and then it recovered it. So now all we got to do, go back to our file manager. We've got our second partition with our house stuff and important stuff. So the program does work, which is awesome. This is going to be a great program for someone who just needs to recover their data. Or if you're an IT professional like me, all you need to do is download this, set it up, buy a copy of it, and boom, you can basically recover data for as long as you want. I don't think the key expires at all. Well, that is how you guys recover data, which I've showed you, and that's how you recover the partition. Let's go ahead and check the test disk speed test. I kind of want to try this out. Let's just go ahead and test the D drive. So it's basically going to do around 5 sequential reads, and then it'll probably do around 5 sequential writes. So I'm going to let this go, and then we'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so the speed test did work. I'm going to assume it's working. It's just testing the read-write speed. So if you have a drive and you're not sure if it's dying or not, you could test it. You can usually test you can usually tell if it's dying if it's got if you want to test if it's really bad after doing the speed test, you can do disk surface tests. These surface tests can take a while. It's just checking for bad sectors. I use this a lot actually, just to confirm that the drive isn't dead. If there's more than like 5 red blocks, I wouldn't necessarily use it. So it's got disk defragmentation built in. Don't do that to a solid state though. You can actually rebuild MBR, convert to GPT, wipe hard drive, dynamic disk manager, properties. If they do much, it just tells you everything. Well, it looks like the drive's still good, which is kind of surprising because this drive's pretty old. I mean, it's got around 3,000 hours, so I mean, that's not necessarily bad. It's got USB, obviously, but... Well, guys, that's AOMEI Partition Assistant Professional Edition. Just to quickly go over it one more time, you've got clone, migrate OS, clone disk, clone partition. You've got convert MBR, GPT. You can convert between those two. You got dynamic disk converter, so you can convert it to dynamic or a basic disk. You've also got convert to NTFS FAT32. You've got free up. You've got PC cleaner, app mover, delete large files, duplicate files finder, which is a nice benefit. You also got recover, which I showed you, partition recovery, and I did show you recover data. These two portions are going to be very helpful, especially for my daily use. You've also got wipe. You've got wipe hard drive, wipe partition, shred files, SSD secure erase. That way you can securely erase all your data without having to worry about someone trying to recover your data. You've got test, disk speed test, which I did show you, and the surface test, which I did show you. It just tests for bad sectors, and this just tests the speeds of the drive. Like, for example, if I show you my SSD, it's not done yet, but this is basically what my SSD is, and the main SSD in my laptop. Yeah, it's much faster than the hard drive, but SSDs are going to be always faster. So basically, that's the speed test. If you guys remember the old test, I'll put it on screen next to this one, now that way you guys can see it, but that's how that test works. As far as tools go, you've got Make Bootable Media, Windows To Go Creator, which I do want to do a video on, so if you guys want to see that, like the video. You've got Extend Partition Wizard, you've got BitLocker, please don't touch that unless you know what you're doing. Reset Windows Password, so you can reset your Windows password, we should test that as well. You've got Create Portable Version, Integrate to Recovery Environment, UEFI BIOS Boot Options Manager. Easily access and manage UEFI boot entries in Windows. But yeah, that is AOMEI Partition Assistant. If you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. If you want to check the program out, all the links you need will be in the description below, so go ahead and check those out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.